So today, in today's week's video, since I'm going to probably make more videos. So in today's week's video is school supplies. Well, I didn't really I bought some of my school supplies, but I still need some of them. But I have most of them, like some. Mostly I have a lot. So let's start. So today I have my book bag. So we're going to start with the little pocket, and then we'll go to the giant pocket. I just call it giant. I don't know why. You know what? I'll just. So, and what I have here is dry erase markers. I have dry erase markers for boards or whatever else. I have 5. Well, they asked for 4, but sometimes these run out really easily, so I just bought 5. Why get it, Alice? Whatever. I have a little cute dog and a little cute cat. I also have a Spanish and English pocket dictionary. I guess you can't see it that well. So I have a pocket dictionary like that in case we need to. I guess my teacher, who it's supposed to be, doesn't have dictionaries, so we'll have to take some. I have more dictionaries, but I just want to take this one because it has more, and the other one has less one. It's an English and a Spanish pocket dictionary, so there's more English than Spanish. No, it's easy. It's even, look, because this one divides, so, oh wait, there's more English than Spanish, right, my bad. So now, that's it for the little one. That was easy. So now let's go to the giant pocket. So, I'm going to put that one over there, because then my bed gets all full. And this is for 4th grade. So if you want to follow this, keep on watching. And also I'm going to make some more videos, which is up next from this one. Okay, so let's go. So 3 jumbo sticks. Jumbo. I like jumbo because they don't run out. Oh gosh. Whatever. But these are coming out, so I probably have to put tape. I have these pencils, which they come sharpened. Oh no! I have to take all of them out and put them back in. Ah! Okay. I guess do not make it rain. Do not make it rain. Do not make it rain. So this is coming out for some reason. So now I have to put it back, so I'll be right back. I'll just do it. I took a bunch. Oh, whatever. At least that was good. I just need one more to put in. That was good. 20, and 30. That's easy. Oh, good. I have that. I have this cupcake pencil case. That's why my show is cupcake. So I have some stuff inside, which is one fell out. A calculator, a sharpener, a pink one. Pink. Calculator is for math. Sharpener is for these pencils in case they run out of things. Pin for crayons. Scissor. Some more pencils. say dry eraser, a pink one, and 2 glue sticks. So that's all what I have in this pencil case. I need a student planner, and it says live life. Live life. I have 5 notebooks. And this one, polka dots, cheetah. I call it cheetah because of these things. Owl, stars, and butterfly. I have 4 folders. Green. I might change this one because it's printing and mostly it breaks. So these are plastic. Blue, pink and golden polka dots, purple and a golden butterfly. And construction paper. So that's for this week. How was your school supplies? And if you're going to 4th grade, this is the good show. I'm just kidding. This is the good movie. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe, comment down, put a like, and I mostly like it when you subscribe. So thumbs up. Bye.